What's up, everybody? This is Brian with Steel Carports. We're going to be back out here in New Ferry, Texas, in this really nice area. We've got a nice looking building right behind us. It's got a lot of cool features to go look at, so let's go. All right, guys, so starting off with the size of this building, the main structure here right behind me is going to be a 30 feet wide. It's going to be 90 feet long, and up to the eaves, it's going to have legs of 12 foot tall. We're gonna go around the side here in a little bit to check out the lean-to that it has, but it's gonna be a 10 foot wide, so it makes the whole building itself 40. It's gonna be 70 feet long on the lean-to, and then it's gonna connect to the main structure at 10 feet tall and drop down to 8. So we'll check that out here in a second. You see that this customer did get the colors earth brown, and then it's got black trim all around the building. And it pairs really, very nice with this continental brown roll-up door that the customer has. Now, usually our roll-up doors do come in white, but ask your dealer or ask American Steel Carports the different color roll-up doors that we do offer, because we do have a variety to choose from. So, that's another thing to, just keep in mind whenever you're purchasing a metal building. All right, guys. So here, usually a customer would have legs where the main structure is at, but this customer did decide to go ahead and get header installed here. So he could get easy access to go from here to his lean-to here on the side, and we'll go check that out right now. So this is the lean-to right here. This is going to be 10 foot wide, 70 feet long. Connect to the main building at 10 and drop down to 8. You'll see here that it does have this nice gable here on the front, and then the customer did decide to get several openings here on the side as well, so more headers and more frame outs. Usually here's where they would have legs, but this does provide easy access so he can come from the patio all the way to his lawn. And you'll see right here, this is a concrete steel door. It's going to be the size 48 by 84. Now this is a upgrade to our normal walk-in doors that we offer here at American Steel Carports, but it's going to be, made out of steel, so it's going to be a lot stronger. It's also not going to have the threshold when it's installed, so it does provide easier access for a person, going in and out of your building, so you don't have to walk over something. Looks very nice. Let's go inside. So this customer did get a fully vertical building. So the customer did go ahead and get fully insulated here inside the building. Looks very nice. And then you'll see down here, the customer did also happen to get a divider wall. So kind of separating the whole length of the structure. So the cut and closed area of this metal building is going to be 30 feet wide by 70 feet long. And then he did put a divider wall here near the back at 15 feet from the back, kind of giving him some separate sections so that he can do whatever he wants to do in this area for storage, and then separate storage area in the back. Looks very nice. But just another idea, you don't always have to keep it completely open. You do have the option of adding divider walls to kind of separate your sections of your metal building. Customer also did get another continental brown roll-up door here on the side, and then he did get one more continental roll-up door here on the back of the building. So he's going to be able to drive in any of his vehicles and drive out. Very nice, very helpful. Customer did get a regular walk-in door here. That's going to be a 36 by 80 inch regular walk-in door. And then I did forget to mention, but the continental roll-up door on the front is going to be a 14 wide, 12 foot tall. This is going to be an 8 by 8 roll-up door here on the side. And this is going to be a 10 by 12 here in the back. Very nice. All right, guys, one more thing I want to mention about, when you get a metal building installed on concrete is that you can get this notch detail here on this concrete that kind of provides you 1.5 inches above the ground where the metal building will be installed, and the sheet metal will actually run past that a little bit. That kind of gives you an extra protection from water and all that kind of stuff from getting inside the metal building. Just another idea to look out for whenever you're getting a metal building installed. Very nice. It's going to be very helpful in the future. And then here, when we're outside of the metal building, we can see that the customer did get 1, 2, 3, 30 by 53 inch windows. Now these are going to be the bigger windows that we offer, and they also do not have a grid, so they do look very nice. All right, guys, one last thing inside this building that the customer did get is an automatic roll-up door on this continental brown roll-up door. And look how easy it is to use. So you just use a button here on the side, and the automatic roller door does its job. Very easy, very quiet. Now
It's going to provide you, whenever you're coming in, from a day out, you're going to park your vehicle inside. It's going to be very easy to just use the button, not have to get out of your vehicle, park your vehicle inside, and then, it's all done. All good to go. All right, guys. Well, that's it for us here in New Fairview, Texas. This was a nice looking building that we looked at. Again, that was a 30 feet wide, 90 feet long here in the center section. And it's going to be 12 foot tall. The lean-to again was 10 feet wide, 70 feet long, connected at 10 down to 8. It had the earth brown, all around, and the black trim. And that earth brown did pair very nice with this continental brown roll-up doors that the customer did get. A lot of good things to look at, even the divider wall. Another something that we haven't really seen here on this channel, but just another idea that you as a customer can get, just to personalize your building even more. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to our channel for more videos here in the future. This has been Brian with American Steel Carports, here to answer questions and show you all that we can do so that you can get your dream metal building too.